Okay guys, welcome to my page, welcome to my kitchen. For today recipe in my kitchen, we're gonna fry groundnuts, peanut. So I will show you how we fry groundnut locally. You know, those days in my early age when I was growing, we used to sell groundnut in the school. So this is how we fry groundnut in the village. I show you guys. First of all, you're gonna wash your groundnut. You know, you wash it or wash it here and put it inside this basket. Then after, I'll sprinkle salt on it, then allow it to dry. Give it like 3 hours to enable the salt to penetrate inside the groundnut. Yes, so I am raising them from the water. Okay, after now I will just add some salt, then allow it to dry. I'm adding some salt. Make sure the groundnut is wet. See, I just put the small one that was inside the container, so we just need to add some. Okay, you add it so and keep it under the sun. Give it like 3 hours, 2 hours, depends. The more you keep it, the more the salt penetrates inside the groundnut very well. Yeah. Wait, you don't need to use this. You use this thing. Yeah. Okay guys, we have started frying our bacon. Is not fried. We are baking it, right? We bake with we are frying it. Okay, so we are frying it with sand. You can use sharp sand, you can use mud sand, you can use clear sand, Abi. What did they call it to be that, Abi? See? Yeah. Clear what? So you see? How many hours are we going to fry it with?
I just put it now.
Okay now, so you see, you must start. It's like this one is not good for you because it will be the peanuts. We need something flat. That black. So I'll stir it slowly. We're gonna fry it for like maybe 20 minutes. Approximately 20 or 30 minutes. Let's see. Let me
When fine girls are roasting groundnuts, that's how it come out. The groundnuts must clearly come out very good.
Yes, this is a village method. A local method. Those days we used to sell groundnut in the school, in the primary school and secondary school. This is how we do it.
Do you know how to roast groundnut by then?
From my father's compound.
Are you sure the groundnut was sweet then?
Yes, of course. Then we are selling groundnut. I think is it 1 naira? I be 5 naira.
They no quick burn you now. We buy coins.
You know how old I am.
That's what I'm saying now. If they say 1 naira when they burn you, that means they no quick burn you now. Because you get one in a coins, they use they say groundnut. And that's no way, you know they have burned me that time. Yeah, I'm a big girl.
I beg you. Oh my God, you fry here groundnut. I've placed my content.
Nah, lie. You must fry that groundnut till it's done.